Hello everyone. So I got this in the mail today. This is the Keychron K1 keyboard. This is a low profile mechanical keyboard, and this will be a pretty quick video because I'm just gonna do an unboxing and do some sound tests for you guys to see. Again, these are low profile switches. They're dual compatible with Macs and Windows computers. You can use them wired or wirelessly. You can pair up to 3 devices. The battery life, it has a 2000 milliamps of battery life, aluminum body, and it's got RGB lighting. So let's open this guy up. And I have been waiting for this keyboard for a while now, but they shipped it pretty quickly. This was $99, including shipping. So I thought that was a pretty respectable price for how good and sleek this keyboard looked, at least to my eyes. And so I was very happy with my purchase. So if we take this keyboard out of the box here, I can manage to this one hand. That is a beautiful keyboard. Now, first impressions, it is really metal. I can definitely feel the cold metal. Super slim. And it's super rigid too. I can already tell. Yeah. So in the box, you get some manual guides. You get the USB-C to USB-A cord for charging the keyboard and connecting it and whatnot. You get some tools to, I guess, replace the keycaps. And these are, I'm assuming these are extra keycaps, maybe for Windows versions, because they do have the Mac command key pre-installed. So yeah. So I will do a quick sound test. Because I'm holding my camera with my other hand, I'll be just doing a one-hand test. So wow, it feels very nice. So I went with this low profile switch keyboard because I'm definitely more used to a traditional like laptop keyboards and whatnot, and I like tactile keyboards as well. So I wanted a low profile, a tactile clicky keyboard, and this blue switch really accomplishes that without adding too much travel. I actually type faster and better with more accuracy with a shallower keyboard. I found that out by just life experience, and so that's why I went with this keyboard. So yeah, it does sound very nice. The build and the looks is phenomenal. I would say that's probably the best part about this keyboard. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick unboxing video and I guess sound test. So please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.